The rise of AI-powered drones in 2025. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest insights into emerging technologies shaping our world. Today, we're exploring one of the most transformative advancements in modern technology, the rise of AI-powered drones in 2025. From military defense to agriculture, delivery systems to disaster response, these intelligent flying machines are redefining what's possible in air-based automation. This video will take you deep into how AI is revolutionizing drones, the industries being impacted, and what the future may look like as this technology continues to evolve. If you're excited about future tech, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming content. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered drones. 1. What are AI-powered drones? AI-powered drones are unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms. Unlike traditional drones, these machines are capable of autonomous decision-making, navigation, object recognition, and real-time data analysis. They are no longer dependent on human control for every action. With AI, drones can learn from their environment and continuously improve their performance. 2. Why 2025 is a pivotal year for AI drones? The year 2025 marks a major leap in AI drone development. Advances in computer vision, edge computing, battery efficiency, and neural network training have reached a point where drones can handle complex tasks autonomously. Governments and private companies have invested billions into AI drone technology, making it more accessible and widely implemented. AI integration is no longer experimental. It's practical and operational at scale. 3. Autonomous navigation and obstacle avoidance. One of the biggest breakthroughs in AI-powered drones is advanced autonomous navigation. Using computer vision and real-time data processing, drones can navigate complex environments without GPS or manual control. Whether flying through dense forests or urban landscapes, they can detect and avoid obstacles on their own. This makes them incredibly useful in environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible to humans. 4. Real-time object detection and tracking. AI allows drones to identify and track objects in real time. They can distinguish between humans, animals, vehicles, infrastructure, and environmental changes. This capability is being used in everything from wildlife conservation to border surveillance. In 2025, many drones are equipped with deep learning models trained to recognize specific threats or targets based on image data. 5. Transforming military and defense operations. AI-powered drones have become a cornerstone of modern military operations. They are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, combat support, and search and rescue missions. Unlike traditional manned aircraft, they can be deployed quickly, stay airborne longer, and collect critical data without putting human lives at risk. AI enhances their precision, enabling targeted strikes and better threat assessment. 6. Revolutionizing delivery and logistics. Real-time object detection and tracking. These drones autonomously calculate the best flight paths, avoid hazards, and drop off packages with impressive speed and accuracy. AI optimizes delivery schedules and adapts in real time to weather changes or no-fly zones. This is reshaping the logistics industry and setting new standards for same-day delivery. 7. Agriculture and precision farming. In agriculture, AI drones are being used to monitor crop health, detect pests, measure soil conditions, and even spray pesticides or fertilizers. They can cover large areas in a fraction of the time it would take humans. With AI analysis, farmers get actionable insights on crop conditions and resource usage. This leads to higher yields, lower costs, and more sustainable farming practices. 8. Urban planning and smart cities. Cities are now using AI-powered drones for infrastructure inspection, construction monitoring, and urban planning. Drones can assess structural integrity of bridges, buildings, and roads using AI-driven image analysis. They help identify maintenance needs, monitor pollution, and plan public utilities. As cities become smarter, drones play a critical role in real-time data collection and civic management. 9. Disaster management and emergency response. AI drones are transforming how first responders react to natural disasters. After events like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes, drones can scan large areas quickly and relay information to rescue teams. AI helps prioritize areas that need urgent assistance based on population density, damage assessment, or thermal imaging. They also drop supplies, locate survivors, and provide real-time situational awareness. 10. Environmental and wildlife protection. Conservationists are using AI drones to protect endangered species and monitor ecosystems. Drones patrol wildlife reserves, track animal movements, and detect illegal poaching or deforestation activities. Drones patrol wildlife reserves, track animal movements, and detect illegal poaching or deforestation activities. AI helps identify patterns in migration, breeding, or health indicators. These insights support better environmental policies and urgent interventions. 11. Entertainment and cinematography. In 2025, film and media industries are embracing AI drones for dynamic camera work. These drones can follow complex movements and maintain perfect framing using predictive algorithms. Directors now use AI to pre-program cinematic paths, enabling smoother and more creative shots. Drones with AI also handle live event coverage more efficiently than traditional camera setups. 12. AI drones in law enforcement and surveillance. Police departments use drones for monitoring crowds, tracking suspects, and assessing crime scenes. AI allows real-time facial recognition, license plate identification, and behavioral analysis. While this raises ethical concerns about privacy, it's also proving to be a valuable tool in crime prevention and emergency response. Public policies are evolving to ensure responsible and transparent drone surveillance. 13. Medical supply. Transport and health services. AI drones are delivering critical medical supplies to remote or hard-to-reach areas. In 2025, they're being used to carry blood samples, vaccines, and medications during pandemics or crises. Hospitals use AI drones for inter-campus deliveries, saving time and reducing vehicle congestion. Their ability to respond quickly in emergencies is becoming a vital part of modern healthcare infrastructure. 14. Drone swarms and collaborative AI. One of the most futuristic developments is the rise of AI-powered drone swarms. These are groups of drones that communicate and collaborate on tasks without human input. Swarms are used in search and rescue, large-scale mapping, and coordinated defense maneuvers. AI ensures the drones operate as a unified system, sharing information and dynamically adjusting their strategies. 15. Ethical and legal challenges. With great power comes great responsibility. The use of AI drones raises serious ethical and legal questions. Who is accountable when a drone makes a wrong decision? How do we balance privacy with public safety? As drone capabilities grow, so does the need for global frameworks to regulate their use fairly and transparently. 16. Industry investment and market growth. Tech giants and venture capitalists are heavily investing in AI drone technology. The global drone market is expected to surpass $100 billion by the end of 2025. Startups are emerging with specialized solutions for every industry. Research institutions and universities are partnering with governments to test new models and applications. 17. The role of 5G and Edge. AI in drone intelligence. The rollout of 5G networks and edge computing has turbocharged drone capabilities. With ultra-low latency and real-time processing, drones can react instantly to new data. Edge AI allows decision-making to happen on the drone itself, reducing reliance on cloud connectivity. This supports high-stakes missions and ensures functionality even in areas with limited internet. 18. Consumer and recreational use. AI is also making drones more user-friendly for everyday consumers. Recreational drones now come with features like gesture control, obstacle avoidance, and smart following. AI enhances their performance and makes them easier to fly safely. Hobbyists, photographers, and YouTubers are taking drone content creation to the next level. 19. The future ahead. What to expect. Beyond 2025. Looking beyond 2025, we can expect AI drones to become even more autonomous and self-learning. Future models may operate for longer periods, integrate quantum computing, and interact seamlessly with other AI systems. Personal AI drones may become as common as smartphones, assisting individuals in daily tasks and travel. As AI evolves, the possibilities for drones will only continue to expand. 20. Final thoughts. Humanity's flying partners. The rise of AI-powered drones in 2025 signals a major shift in how we interact with the skies. They are no longer just flying cameras or delivery bots. They're intelligent machines that think, react, and support us in countless ways. From saving lives to boosting productivity, these flying partners are here to stay and transform our world. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the rise of AI-powered drones in 2025. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring emerging technologies with us, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're always up to date on our latest content. Let us know in the comments how you see AI drones changing our lives in the next decade. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more insights into the future of technology.